Being part of the S4 projects team, it's a great experience. You're open to a lot, you learn a lot. The project that we do requires the team to be very versatile and dynamic. And the nice thing is everyone kind of has these bits and pockets of knowledge that you can kind of draw off, and it actually makes us strong as a team. So the team in general, in my mind, they're very innovative, and they always look to provide the best solution they can for our customers. To work in S4 projects is actually great because it's so diverse. You actually don't know what you're going to do the next day. You're continuously speccing new projects, customers come with new challenges, you have to try and meet the customer's expectations, and you learn new technologies along the way, and they're always open to implementing new technologies. And just because of the size of the department, we're always encouraged to experiment and learn more technology, which is something I think comes of high value in any software house in my mind. So to put it in a nutshell, I think S4 Projects is probably one of the most diverse departments within the software department, just because we don't know what's coming. We have to always adapt. And with the private sector being involved, we get involved with things we never thought we'd be involved with, but we do it, and I think we do it pretty well as well. There's literally almost no one in this building you can go to and not learn something from. Everyone here has dealt with some or other kind of unique scenario that you haven't dealt with, and you can always lean on them and have that faith and actually just believe that they will come through and help you, because that is what happens, you know. Whenever you sit with a problem, specifically me from software side, you know, if you are helping a customer and a feature comes in that requires maybe some from automation side's input, you're always met with an overwhelming response of answers, and you actually end up giving the best answer to the customer just because you've learned so much in the process. So I think we're good at what we do because we know how to work together, and we know how to kind of integrate and pull knowledge from each other where required. I think all in all, everyone here knows what they want. They know that they want to make customers happy. We love what we do, and I suppose we all know which way the ship's going, and we're following that ship. So I suppose challenges that are relevant to me within S4 projects is the fact that we are in an ever-changing industry, and S4 projects, just by its nature, is very diverse. Because we're very open-armed to receiving new projects, that also means that we open ourselves up to a lot of new technologies that we have to learn very quickly and understand very quickly, should we not have dealt with it before. I suppose that is what I would consider the most challenging factor of it. But at the same time, I mean, it's challenging, but you grow and the team grow from it as well. So in the end, it's a challenge that we're all welcome to take on. The working environment at S4, in my mind, is very fast-paced. You get here and things are just on the go. As soon as you walk through the door, you can see people are getting their coffees, they are getting to their tables, and things are just happening everywhere. It's actually quite exciting, to be honest. You'll get here and you'll just feel the energy within the building, I suppose, and it kind of drives and motivates you to also get everything done that you need to get done. I'd like to think that a lot of people here are probably goal-driven, which I think is the best way to be, you know. If you're driven by time, you get things done, but you get them done in the time period that you're required. When you're goal-driven, you get things done quickly and efficiently so that you can move on to your next goals, and that is what I like about S4. It's a culture that rewards hard work, and it's a culture where there's camaraderie in hard work. So my working experience at S4 has been fantastic, to be honest. I can't think of any reason why I wouldn't want to come to work in the morning. Everyone has their bad days, I suppose, but in the end, when you come here, it's such a great environment to be in. You know, the people that you can lean on in times that you do require assistance, and you feel like you do need to talk to someone. The working experience that you gain from here, I think, is unrivaled in many companies. You learn so much, and you learn so much so quickly that it kind of just drives you to want to come to work and just learn more and grow as a person and as an employee within the company. The company actually encourages you to reach further and go further.